teach you to crochet this flower bag in 10 minutes. Today, I will make a cool and artistic. The bag is made up of 34 identical daisies. The crocheting method is very simple. It can hold books, picture albums, stationery, and so on. This little flower will have a second one, hand in hand with two small flowers, these holding hands, according to a certain pattern. Now let's crochet this small flower. Start with chain stitches. Then crochet 6 chain stitches. Finish 6 chain stitches and connect the first stitch. Chain 1 stitch as a standing stitch. Pass the hook through the loop. Bring the thread through to hook a single crochet stitch. You need to crochet 12 single crochet stitches in this round. After hooking the last stitch and connect to the first stitch, break the thread and pass the end to the back. Pass the thread through the stitch and hide it to create a seamless pull-through. It's done. Change thread. Find any stitch and insert the hook. Bring the thread over and chain 1 stitch. Crochet 13 chain stitches. After crocheting 13 chain stitches, pull through to the next stitch. Hide the thread. We crochet together. Then crochet 13 chain stitches. Pull up to the next stitch. Finish a circle in this way. You need to repeat this process 12 times. A small daisy is done. The second flower's core and petals. Change the color. Now I'll show you how to connect the two flowers. First, crochet 6 chain stitches. Pass the hook through the second flower, one of the petals. Bring the thread through and chain 1 stitch. Then crochet 6 chain stitches. Pull up to the next stitch. Then hook 6 chain stitches. Connect the second petal. Pass the hook through the petal. Bring the thread through and chain it. Then crochet 6 chain stitches. Then pull the thread to the next stitch. The 2 small flowers are connected. Then connect more small flowers. Please refer to the diagram. After connecting 34 flowers, then connect the petals of the bag mouth. First chain 1 stitch. Then a single crochet stitch, 3 chain stitches. Next, crochet a single crochet stitch and chain it. Then hook a single crochet stitch in the next petal. 4 chain stitches. A single crochet stitch, 3 chain stitches. Next petal, a single crochet stitch. 4 chain stitches. Then a single crochet stitch and chain it. Then connect the next flower. Please see this set of rules. After connecting all the flowers, then crochet around with single crochet stitches. corresponding to the chain stitches of the previous round, and hook single crochet stitches. Finally, cut the thread. Use a sewing stitch to hide the thread. Then crochet the bag strap. Symmetrically choose between two flowers. Insert the stitch and bring the thread over. And hook 90 chain stitches. The bag strap. The length can be adjusted according to your preference. You can make it longer or shorter as you like. Finish 90 chain stitches to the symmetrical flower. Then make a slip stitch to chain the stitch. Turn the bag body. Pick up the side of the chain stitch and hook single crochet stitches without increase or decrease. Finish 90 single crochet stitches along the chain stitch. And pull the last stitch to the next stitch. Chain one stitch and turn the body. Then crochet 90 slip stitches along the bag strap. Finish the last stitch. Pull out the thread. Fix it with a sewing stitch. Hide the thread. The bag strap is done. The second strap. Complete it by yourself in the same way. The bag is done. If you learn it, you can make one too.